Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Mekwyk. Mekwyk. My video is only for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you how damaging this ransomware really is. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Sadly, some computers are not duly protected against ransomware attacks. So because of that, this Mekwyk ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then very soon users realize that they can't use their data anymore. This ransomware called Mekwyk encrypts files and appends a special extension to the file names. Very soon users realize that this damage has taken place, and whenever they try to open the specific file, they get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file, which the Mekwyk extension. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Yet, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. We recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware using the reliable antivirus. You may get help with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then click on a Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. The application is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders that would always be protected from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the files from being damaged in the future. So, as I said, at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider premium license. This is the best way for protecting your data in the future.